All right. So, other news in Bitcoin, since we're posting old timer commentary on op return, you might like the comment about putting non Bitcoin data into the Bitcoin blockchain. So, this is from Satoshi himself on Bitcoin Talk forums. It says piling every proof of work quorum system in the world into one dataset doesn't scale. Bitcoin and BitDNS can be used separately. So, this was like, I guess, some sort of meta protocol that was happening at the time. And he was suggesting that this should run separately to Bitcoin. So users shouldn't have to download all of both to use one or the other. BitDNS users may not want to download everything the next several unrelated networks decide to pile in either. And so Satoshi essentially advocating for a separation of use cases.
So if you don't know why this is like contextually important, there's like been quite a ruffling of feathers in the Bitcoin space.
Yeah.
About this whole op return limitation thing. So how do you interpret that?
Yeah. So just to paint the picture, if you guys, those of you listening, definitely watch the podcast on YouTube. But I'm looking at a picture here of like an example of an op return. So the debate was some wanted to expand the minimum requirements of the OP return data field from 83 kilobytes. Yeah, 83 kilobytes to over 100, right? And so what that allowed to do is to add this kind of form of text. So create meta protocols on op return, and that meta protocol
already exists,
OP20, and like the same day that they launched it.
Yeah, it's another JSON protocol, just like BRC20s or TAP or whatever, right?
Yeah, and so the debate is, let's expand it because they're already, quote unquote, polluting the chain with arbitrary data anyways.